Hi everybody, it's Miss Marie. And today for Steam Thursday, I thought we would do a Lego build. We haven't done one in a while, and I have been watching reruns of that show, Lego Masters, and I love it. I'm definitely not even close to being a Lego master, but I did have some fun trying to make this bird. I picked a bird because it's spring, almost summer, and there's lots of birds out. And I picked a cardinal because that is the mascot for Washington Township. So I thought I would do a cardinal as best I could. I didn't have exactly the same bricks as they have in this model. So I gathered up some red and black, and I picked yellow because I didn't have a lot of orange ones to do the beak. So I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see what we're going to do. And hopefully you can go gather some to make your own. Okay? Okay, so I have in front of me the bricks that I'm going to use. I also have my picture in front of me because I need a reference. It was a little harder than I thought it was going to be. But I guess we could start with building the base. First I used sort of a bigger one. What is this? A 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6. And I built up on top of that, and I wanted to give the front of the bird a little bit of a curved shape, so I used one of these, I don't know what you'd call that. It's kind of like a half pipe. If you're a skateboarder, that's what it looks like to me. And I put it on like that. And then I built up the back of this part with another piece. This one is a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 4, so that I can complete sort of the middle of the body. And then I thought I would go on to do something to attach the tail to. So I took black, because that's what color I had, that has also some curvy pieces to it. And I put it right about there, so it's hanging over just a little bit, so I can attach the tail to that. And I used a longish flat piece, so it's only, I don't know how they call these ones, but it's across, it's 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but then it's only 1 deep. It's not the double deep. And I attached it underneath that black part to make the top part of the tail. And I thought it needed a little more shape, so I took a smaller one of these and I just kind of hung it off the end like that. Maybe we can make it like that. I don't know. I think I like it like that better. It's hanging off a little bit. Gives a little bit of a bend in the tail. It's too long though, isn't it? Let's see, I'm gonna move it around so I'm happy with it. I want to give it a little bit of depth, but not make it too long, maybe like that. Yeah, that looks okay for now. Let's see, if we don't like it, we can always change it later. Now I want to keep building up over here for the body. So I believe what I did next was to do, let's try this one. Yeah, let's do a 1 by 2 there in red. And then a 2 by 2 in red here as well. Just building it up, making it a little taller. And let's see, let's do this 3 by 2 here. And we can go here. We still need to fill that in a little bit. How about, well, that hangs over too much. What do I want to put there? Maybe I'll just leave it. It looks all right. Yeah, I think that's okay. And we'll just keep going up. So now I want to put another 2 by 2 here on top. And then I want to start giving this a little shape to the front. So I'm thinking, first I probably should put on the beak, because we're getting towards the top of the head now. Put on a longer piece for the beak. And then I'm going to put on this black piece here, which gives it, again, some shape to the face. It's kind of got like a half pipe shape to it, or an arch. I don't know what they call it. Oops, that in Lego world. Like I said, I'm no Lego master. And then I wanted to give some some shape to the head on the top. So I'm gonna put on these little ramps like that. Maybe I'll put some ramps going the other direction just to fill it in a little bit. Like that. Maybe make that beak a little bit longer. How long do we want to go? Or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. We like it like that. Do we like it like this? Maybe just make it a little thicker. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. And now we don't have any legs. So right now it's very sturdy and stable because we don't have any legs, but it doesn't really look like a bird quite yet. So I found this really cool piece that looks kind of like webbed feet for a bird. And then I found these two little pieces that could be legs. So I put them here. Oh, actually, I think I put them back here. Yeah. Okay. And I used two, even though it looks like one, but when I hold it up close, it's two. So it's two little legs close together. And then I tried positioning it in all different positions. And as you can see, in the front, it tips back. If I go too far this way, well, that looks all right. Actually, that's pretty good. Pretty stable now. Whoop, a little bit wobbly. We can just play around with it and move it to the spot where we think we get the best balance for our bird, for our cardinal. And now you could be done, unless you have one of those Legos that has an eye in it, you could put the eye there, or if you're like me and you have a wiggle eye, you can put your wiggle eye there. Now, I had two wiggle eyes. I think I dropped one, and hopefully the dog didn't eat it, but, so I have a wiggle eye, so I could put that like right here to give it a little eye. And if you had two, you could do it on the other side too. But there it is. There's my Lego cardinal. I hope you have fun and you try this out. You could try other colors too. You could use all blue and do a blue jay. You could use black and do a crow. Do whatever color bird you like, and maybe just add the details in orange or yellow for the eye, for the beak and the legs. And that's it. All right, so there is my Lego cardinal. All right, everybody, I will see you next week. Have fun. Bye.